Alright guys, we're going to try something out. I'm trying to add a little something different to my channel all the way around. We're going to do something with hair today. I'm a little worried about this. Alright, I did go ahead and freshly wash my hair this morning with Not Your Mother's thickening hair stuff. If you got really thin poker straight hair like I do, that stuff's awesome. I also use the Pantene's mousse for fine hair, triple action volume number 4. And we threw on the Not Your Mother's In a Heartbeat blow dry accelerator. That stuff's awesome too. And Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy thickening hair lifter for fine thin hair, volumizing, strengthen, luxurious shine. Alright, the curling iron that I've been asked about is this Revlon crimping curl thing. I was confused on how it worked and everything else, and I even watched a couple people doing it and then tried to do exactly what they did. No, didn't work out for me at all. Am I getting enough light, guys? Hi. I'm not quite sitting in the dark. I've got my natural light now, so maybe this might be a little bit better for some of my videos again. Alright, a lot of people, once they crimp or put that curling iron on there, they hold it and then they move it to the edge of where that one ended. You end up with a flat spot right in there. So, what I like to do is part this. Don't mind this. I want to have a boo-boo for a while. And normally, I'm one of these people that I will part my hair and put the other part in my mouth. Disgusting, I know. But I got stuff in there today, so it ain't happening. Just go like this. And pin. And let the fast forwarding begin. At least for half of my hair. Alright guys, I tried everything I could. I even put a globe over top of that light back there. I'm sorry. I don't know how to make this room any brighter. There is a light above me here and a light back there, but if you take the light bulb out of that one, it looks so dark in here for some reason. And my natural lighting's not working out to the best. But anyways, when I have about this much hair left, which this has got also the pink in it. Might as well call it pink. It is what it is. I like to separate that into two also. To give, because I do have really thin hair. So if I'm going to do all this work, I want some body. Got a little bit of that pink in there too. I forgot to tell you guys, I did the bottom part of my hair, or I might have actually included that in the fast forwarding part. Who knows at this point in time. See if this fully seals in that pink too. Maybe it might make it a little bit more better looking. I mean, this stuff's pretty simple, and if you just leave your hair loose, don't pull it tight while you're doing this, just let it kind of go loose. I mean, I'm hanging on to this part just to make sure it kind of stays in its bundle. But like, up here where it's already curled, if you just leave it loose, it'll leave those, don't pull it either, like I just did. It'll kind of leave those waves in there. And I noticed my waves last a couple of days. Like the next day it's there. Now the spot that I sleep on the most, I might have to take a couple minutes and hit it with this, and it looks like the rest of it. You know, some of that was that pink. I don't know if you can see it right through there. But I've seen other colors that Clairol had, and I might want to try those. I mean, for my darker hair for right now, I'm going to need to try those. There was one that kind of, I think it was like a goldish color or something, that made the girl's hair look like she actually had natural highlights. But I think they had a couple other funky colors out there. But I don't leave it on for very long. And it'll look even better when I kind of run my fingers through it, but I don't run a brush through it when I'm done. Having thin hair like this, it's horrible. Definitely up close and up front. Really want to get as close to the root as possible and hold it longer there, because this will give you even more volume for the front. Who else has problems getting to the back of their hair? Because you know what? You can't see that. I like to wait till I have all my parts done, and then I'll grab some of them on the back. Just run this through. Grab another section over here in the back. Which is still a pain in the butt to do this way too, but you know, at least it might be able to cover up some mistakes that wasn't curled or crimped or whatever you want to call this. And that's before I part it. It gives more volume than I had before. And once again, my stomach's growling. Alright. So parting this has been an absolute chore to do. Normally it's parted before I do anything, but I was a dumb butt today and I didn't do it. And because I didn't do it, I will have extra work to do on my hair. Grabbing these sections at the top and re-clamp them at the base so that this way they fall over this way. I don't do that teasing stuff to my hair. My hair's just too thin and to do all that. that section. Whoa, I have a lot going on back there. Do this section. Every once in a while, you see a couple not so tight little waves. Throw that thing in there. I don't really count, but when I used to do the counting stuff for any of these curling iron things, I'd only count to like 30. And that's because, well, when I was younger, I counted to 60 because those curling irons didn't get that hot for my kind of hair. Alright, we're going to use the Tresemme here, and it's number 4 because I need number 4. We're just going to, oh, that went right in my new cut. I don't take the comb all the way through, I just kind of poof it up a little bit. Might have parted it way too far over. Got me a little wave. I don't know how weird that's looking right now, but the farthest I'm going today is the gas station. Go ahead and take this bunch. Since I did disturb it. And this thing you can easily burn your fingers on. I'm used to curling irons or anything like that, hot tools that have some kind of little end here where you kind of put your fingers. It might get a little warm. That's a straight metal barrel. There ain't no putting your fingers there. I'll go ahead and this is probably why I'm going bald. Alright, to top it off, we're going to use Not Your Mother's She's a Tease hairspray. And because it still keeps it kind of loose and bouncy. That is all I have for you today. How's that look? I mean, that may need recurled right there. And great, I got hairspray in there, so this should actually hold in that spot that I'm not too happy with. Oh, that's better. Got a little bit of that highlight showing through right there. I'm going to try other colors. Alright, that is all I have for you guys for this somewhat curly hair tutorial situation. How I like to do it. I don't know. What do you guys think?